Okay guys, so chucking this at part of the video and putting this at the members video, finally. So we had a competition with our best subscribers, and our best subscriber Shane Lightcap from Ohio. Hi Shane, how you doing? Say hello everyone.
Hello!
How you doing mate? Your parcels have finally arrived, and Shane has kindly sent us loads of merchandise for our channels and our logos and everything else, all the way from Ohio, America. So let me just get this set up and you can see what we got when Hannah opens it. Right, Hannah,
Molly,
go for it.
baby, move out the way.
Molly.
Bad boy.
Doing it all cack-handed.
So we've got 2 parcels. He said he sent us a load of merch with our details on, just out of the kindness of his heart, and a load of things to...
No, let me do it. Let me treat myself. No!
There's mixtures of stuff for all of us here.
Oh, what's in it? What's in the box?
What's in the secret box?
So all the food's for Hannah. He said he sent
Really?
some food stuff over.
What's that?
Art history.
Art history. Smokey. Oh, I think they're vinyl figures.
Oh,
How cute that is.
That's adorable.
Oh my god, that's
Cool.
so cute.
That is so. We'll have a good look. Get it all out.
Oh, it's like art history, but like they're so like look the Scream. Oh my god, the Scream one, like little cute little figures.
Oh, lovely.
Now I think all this is for Hannah.
Oh really?
Because Shane said he was going to send loads of food over.
Oh,
So thank you, Shane.
oh how cute is that?
Boy.
Grape flavoured D-pad candy.
Yes.
That's so cute.
I used to have a Game
Well
Boy.
done,
Did
Shane.
you? Oh,
Sorry.
oh, how cute is
Happy
that?
Valentine's Day. That's
I
so
think
cute.
it's tomorrow, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thanks,
It's good timing,
Shane.
actually.
It's adorable.
Very good time.
Good timing, mate.
Oh, my
It's going to be a long video, guys. Well,
Yeah, it's going to be a long video.
Oh, American money.
Wow.
American money.
American money, man.
Yes.
What's this one?
I don't know. Is it a dollar?
It's $1.
A dollar.
$1.
This one's the $1.
Silver dollar.
A cent. Look at that.
I had a cent given to me at work yesterday. Bit random.
And then, oh, Mama, you like the look of that one.
Let me
Look at
have
that
a look at
one.
this one.
Man, this is going to take so long.
Oh,
People
it's
don't know how to
another-
take the
yeah.
stuff out of the box, man.
It's another Indian.
It's taking so long.
Right, I'm going to take it
Oh,
out the
I
bag.
don't know who that is for, but I'm going to keep that one.
Right, I'm going to turn it off.
Look, it's an
I'm going to flip the
amethyst.
camera around and try and get them to speed up.
It's an ash.
Well, that's why he's got 3. That's why we got 3.
So what you got there then?
Look at these.
Hannah wants them all.
Pokemon crystals and an amethyst
Hannah wants them
cone.
all. And I
Wow.
said, well,
I've
that's
never
one each.
seen them before. They're so cute.
Happy?
I'm so happy. That is
Good.
so
We've got
adorable.
2
This
chockies.
is like Christmas.
Andes. So
Cool.
we'll try them.
Never heard of those, Andy.
And neither have I.
Move the box out the way.
South Park Mall.
Oh.
Ah, cool.
Oh, we can go shopping with that.
Ooh,
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat
Chocolate
orange.
orange one.
Thank you very much, Shane, for
Thank
sending
you.
all this.
Squishmallows.
Oh my god. You're going to go nuts for them.
I think they're like mini ones.
Let's have a
You're going
look.
to go absolutely nuts for them.
God.
She loves this.
Oh, you love
Reese.
Reese's.
Yeah, beautiful.
Baby wants to look at him.
Baby wants some.
Another pen.
Another pen.
Pen.
Cool.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shane.
Thank you, Shane.
Oh, look at that.
That's adorable.
Oh God, I don't. Oh God, is it?
Unscrews, yeah.
What is it?
It's a rose, darling.
I think you put it in stuff.
It's just a nice ornament, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is
I'll
adorable.
put it in like a little pot. And I'll keep
Oh,
it.
look at that.
That's so cute. I love
nice.
it. Hershey's, mini Hershey's.
Lush.
Oh, Lush.
Mini
Jessie loves
Hershey's.
Hershey's. Maybe Jessie.
More
Lushness.
pens. Yes, I
Yes.
need pens.
Have you realised there's 3 of each? That means there's one for all of us.
No.
I haven't
Mother.
noticed this.
No,
Well, I'm keeping this Navajo coin.
Baby Ruth.
I'm keeping that Navajo coin.
Baby Ruth.
Cool.
Baby Ruth. I've never
Baby
heard of
Ruth.
Baby Ruth.
Baby Ruth. Baby
Baby
Ruth.
Ruth.
You do us a favour, Lucy. Can you turn the heating off?
Oh, that's
The
so
Care Bears.
so cute.
I'm going to open it now.
That's so adorable.
Oh. I'm going to open up those little squishmallows.
Yeah, I want to see what's inside of them.
I don't know if I cut the actual
Oh,
look how cute!
cute.
No, it's like rubbery almost.
Oh my god, that's
They're
so,
so
cute.
cute.
I used
I
to love
love
Care
it.
Bears. Oh my god. That's nighttime.
Potato, 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 potato.
Patata.
Oh!
Patata.
I'll open this one as well.
Right, Lucy, I think you'll open the second parcel. You'll be a bit
Cool.
quicker, won't you?
Yeah, Mama can open the second parcel. Well, the
I
second
don't
parcel.
actually know who's
The second
who's
parcels is yours, I think. I
Very
think this is
slow.
mine.
Is that all your stuff?
It's all mine, Mother.
We've got to take time to look at this stuff.
Oh!
It's a little
Look how
potato.
cute that is!
It's a little potato.
It's got a little bubba.
Let me feel his head.
Baby wants it.
Look at his face.
That's so
That
cute.
is so adorable.
I'm going to open up this little one now.
Smoko. So leave me
This
alone.
A man smoke go.
I'm on Smike. Don't chuck it on the
I
floor.
never chucked it on.
I'm on Smikey. So
Look at
please say,
I didn't see what it was.
please say it's the scream. It's the scream one.
Cool.
I want out of all of them. I wanted the scream one. Look
Oh,
at it.
look at that.
Look at it.
That is adorable.
I love it.
Even Marley likes
So
it.
cute. Oh,
Oh, Shane,
baby.
you've done amazing.
Pants.
It's all these smells, Marley. Different smells.
Baby wants chocolate.
Baby thinks it's Christmas.
Yeah. Good luck.
Baby. Don't you,
Look at
baby.
all these Reese's.
Reese's, mate.
Jumbo.
Jumbo
Jumbo,
Reese's.
mate. I think that's one each.
Nice from Shane.
Baby, you're really annoying.
Oh, he wants to get involved.
Bye, baby.
Baby.
What's this? Payday.
I've heard of them.
I've never heard
I've
of like
heard of
half of these,
Payday.
apart from Reese's and M&M's.
I've heard of Payday.
What's these ones?
Oh, baby.
Artificial flavours.
This is
American
adorable.
mate. Fast break Reese's.
Nice.
The nerds. The gum. Baby.
Nerds.
The nerds.
I'm facing
Nerds.
this way, Luce. Here's little figures.
And then more Andy.
Andy's.
Cool, right. So
Thank
that's.
you so much, Shane.
Thank you, Shane.
Well done, Shane. Right, that's the first box. Now Lucy's going to open the second box. Right, so that was box number 1. Thank you, Shane. This is box number 2. Go on then, Luce. Try not to cut yourself. Don't go too deep.
Yes. Oh my god. So good.
Yeah, I'm keeping an eye on your mum. She just sunk the whole scissors into the box.
I didn't mean to go deep. It just
Come
sort
on.
of happened.
Come on, let's have a look. Box number 2.
Hang on. Okay. Everything's so difficult. Why is everything so difficult?
Takes so long, girls.
Hannah made
Takes so
Hannah made it
long.
look easy compared to me. Right, here we go. I'm in.
She's in.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, my God. That's amazing.
So that's our.
Oh,
Look, Mama, look at it.
That's so cool. That is like blown
This
my
on the back.
mind.
I'll explain to you guys. So that is the
Oh my
emoji.
God.
That is the emoji I created for our members only. So you've got Lucy's there, and you've got another Lucy
That
on
is
there.
completely blown
And then
my
you've got
mind.
our logo. If you show
So
the logo,
cool.
Lucy, on the other side. If If you show that logo at the front, that's our Juicy Killer Monster logo.
That has blown my mind, Shane. You
It's
are
cool.
awesome.
Thank you, Shane.
That's
awesome.
Unbelievable.
So I sent Shane some artwork proofs that we designed, so he could use it for the designs.
Oh my god, I absolutely love them.
Love it, Shane.
They are unbelievable.
Look at the squishmallow.
Cool.
Oh, let me smell it.
Don't smell of anything.
I think some of these items, Han, are to sell at the car boot, because Shane said he's going to send a load of items with it to sell at the car boot. So we'll have a look through and see what's there.
Yeah.
But I think
Just
going to
keep them
be
for yourself.
that's going to be Hannah's t-shirt, and it looks like Hannah's size.
Yeah.
So what it is a mixture of stuff. Obviously, you can keep whatever you want, but whatever we want to sell at a car boot, Shane said you can sell at a car boot.
Yeah.
Or give away as merch. Let's have a look. So let's see that emoji. That's my emoji for me. And at the front, we've got the Juicy Killer
That is
Monster
so
logo.
freaking
Awesomeness,
amazing.
Shane. Thank you.
Yeah, you don't have to sell it all, Han. That's yours. I'm sure Shane will correct Justin on that one.
Yeah, just send us a message, Shane. Tell us
sure
what's
he's
what,
got it
mate. There's
wrong.
so much stuff. I don't know what's what.
He's got it wrong. I know he has.
Cool. Cool. Look at the merch, mate.
When he said no, you got to
Look
sell
at the
all
merch.
that.
Yeah. Because that's what I said with it. I said you got to sell everything.
Sell all that, Han, I know.
No, I just remember. Guys, I'll flip it. So I remember when Shane sent the message, he says there's like 50 items or so that you can sell at car boots and stuff.
Yeah, that's our
So we
idea.
just got to differentiate what's to be sold at the car boot and what's to keep. But let's carry on having a look.
Caps.
Let me zoom in.
Awesomeness.
Zoom in some more.
Amazingness.
Wait, hold that one up and down.
Hannah, put one on.
Look at that. Juicy Killer Monster. Share, like, subscribe. Awesomeness.
Wonder which
It's
one
Hannah.
mine is.
NBA Champs 2016.
Oh, Hannah, that looks awesome.
I think this one's probably Justin's.
Yeah, and Lucy, let's
Oh,
look at the
actually,
grey
no,
one.
that might be mine.
Yeah, that's yours.
Because these ones have your thing on.
Lucy, show us the grey one, darling.
Look how nice that looks.
That looks well good,
Oh,
Shane.
so
Shane, you're epic. You're so cool.
Well good.
Yes.
Cheers, buddy. Right, what else we got here?
Wait, so this, I don't know whose.
This is
I
a
would
drinks
like to
bottle.
keep
Oh, look.
What's that?
It's a drinks water bottle with our logo on it.
If you take it out properly, you have a look, darling. Looks sick.
Ah. Oh, that's so
Oh, I've always seen these
Let's
in
have a look here.
America.
This is cool, isn't it?
Not for baby.
It's a water bottle,
Baby
that.
wants it.
Cheers,
cute.
Shane.
Everything.
Let's open this up.
You are naughty.
I'll have to figure out, mate, when I've got my hands free, but that looks
Yeah,
cool.
look. What you do is you push it forward and then you put the straw inside.
That's so cool. I love that.
Love it. It's got proper, it's got our emblem on it as well, isn't it?
Yeah, that's amazing.
Come here. Naughty one. Come here.
Happy days.
Look at
So
that.
cute.
That's adorable. Why am I sushi? What's that?
Let's see. Can I open it?
Yeah, these are all the things to sell at a car boot, I'm telling you. All the foods, I think what Shane said is the foods are for Hannah to cook stuff with and try new concoctions with. The merch was obviously all in our different sizes, and some of the items he said he could sell at car
Yeah,
boots.
but
and
the
stuff like that.
food's like sweet stuff. So you can't really cook with the sweet
I
stuff.
don't know why you can make desserts, can you?
Oh, yeah. Butterscotch, butterbeer, kisses.
Butterbeer kisses.
Whoa.
Hold it closer to the camera. Liz.
Gold-coloured cream filling with butterbeer flavoured cream.
Sweet as A.
Look
Harry
how
Potter
cute
as
that
well.
is.
Butter.
How cute that is.
Oh, that's so cute. What is it?
It's a little keychain.
Nice.
Cat sushi
Oh, look.
keychain. That's adorable.
Yeah, it's cool, Liz.
Is this to sell at the car boot then?
I don't know.
We'll get Shane to confirm because we're not entirely sure, are we?
All the food stuff you don't sell at car boots because obviously it's for you to try new American foods and stuff.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Nice. Take them out, Liz. Have a look. These are like coasters with our logos on.
Oh, Shane, that's epic.
Proper good, mate. That's well good. And Shane said we could keep this stuff, give it away as merch or whatever, but
Well,
we'll
there you
probably
go.
end up
Just
keeping
keep
it.
Most of it.
Oh.
It's well good, Shane. Cheers, brother.
Yeah, we're not selling a lot more.
Breaking
Most
news.
of this is staying with us.
Yes.
That's
Trust
so
me.
cool.
Yeah,
This
I sent what I did. I sent over all the Canva
Not
artwork I
going
did.
anywhere.
There'll be one probably for each.
Oh look, Father Christmas plate.
Oh,
Liz,
that's
can't
so
see.
cute.
Lush Coca-Cola ice.
There's another one of these ones.
Good.
Oh my god, that's 3. It's just one each.
Oh yeah.
Happy days.
Well done, Shane. He's done amazing.
Oh.
Yes,
so cool.
legendary, mate. Legendary.
This is like the best Christmas present ever.
This is cool, man.
Oh, those are so
Because we didn't know what to expect. There's so
No,
much
we
stuff.
didn't.
At least there's some stuff in
Shane,
there.
you need to confirm what we need to do with all this stuff because obviously we're not sure. But to be honest, I would wear those t-shirts.
Yeah, we'd probably
I would
keep
wear the caps.
keep all the merch for ourselves. It's amazing.
I would, yeah, I would probably want all of it to be honest, and Hannah would probably want
Yeah.
to keep all of her stuff.
We don't want to give any of it away.
No,
to
it's
people.
it's too nice to give away.
Okay.
Trust me.
Let's have a look at this. What we got this?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, some more coasters. Lushness.
Look
Can I
at
hold
that. That is unbelievable.
Quality,
so
innit?
cool.
It's like a tile. Looks like the effect of a tile.
Do you know what? I think the clothes. I think maybe he mentioned about giving away as merch. As
Well,
in the
it's up to us,
t-shirts
isn't it?
and the
Yeah,
hats
but it's
and
cool.
stuff.
It's cool, right, girls? So, what do we say to Shane and what do we think?
Thank you
Oh, thank you so much,
Shane.
Shane. That's amazing.
Thank you so much. It's like crazy.
Look how cool that hat looks
how
on
much
her.
stuff there is.
Hannah's got her hat, mate. I know
She
that. I'll tell you
loves
that
her
much.
cap. It actually really suits her.
So you happy? Yeah. Would you say? What do you
Oh.
say to Shane and Hannah on the
I
before we
said
go?
thank you.
Thank you so much, Shane.
You
Thank
go,
you so much. This hat is actually.
Oh, that hat is so cool.
Shane, brother. That was
That one
worth
as
the
well.
wait. That was really good. Thank you so much for sending that stuff.
Hannah,
For anyone else,
Mally, drop
for
it.
anyone else
Get
who's
it.
watching, Marley's just picked
Get
up the
off!
little gnome in his
Marley.
mouth, and
He's just bitten my potato.
Marley.
You're so get
Marley
away.
just bit the potato, man.
There's dents in it.
It
Marley.
lasted 2
It's
seconds.
So annoying.
There you go,
Show
Shane. I'll show you
Shane.
the kicking off. What's going on
Look,
there?
it's all wet.
Got a soggy potato, Shane.
Look, there's a dent in it.
Marley,
You're
that was
so
really
naughty.
bad.
What a
So
naughty boy, Marley. What do you say to Shane? If you say nothing, it means you're sorry. Marley, what do you say? There you go. He's sorry, Shane. He's sorry. Right, I'll let the girls cry about that. For everyone watching the video, thank
So
you so
bad.
much. This just goes to show you how amazing some of you subscribers are. Thank you so much, Shane. Brother from another mother. And I'll put this on the members section. It's for you to enjoy. But thank you
And
so
Shane,
much.
just a quick one. We're hoping to come and visit you next year in Vegas. We'll do a Vegas trip.
Yeah, whenever we go to America, we'll pop over, say hello, mate. All right? Take care, guys. Thanks for watching, and thanks
Bye,
again,
Shane.
Shane, all the way
Bye,
from Ohio.
Shane.
Thanks,
Bye,
Shane.
Shane.
Bye.